Hello, hello, hello. Today is Thursday, the 17th of August. My name is Andrei Buchins, and today I'm going to talk about what happened in cryptocurrency markets in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look. Firstly, Bitcoin. Unfortunately, this long position didn't hold. We got stopped out on this fall of Bitcoin price, which happened yesterday evening. Bitcoin just took this liquidity and then went down even further. And let's look how low did it fell. The price went all the way to 28,352. And this price, if we look, still can be okay. This price fell just to these two price points. You see, this was support, resistance, and now is support, and for now it bounced back. Okay, so what to do now? Okay, this was a loss. This is perfectly natural and normal, and we are not scared because we control the risk. Every time there is a loss, we don't lose more than 2%. Okay, so we can afford a series of losses, and we are still in the game. Okay, let's look. Where is the fresh liquidity? This liquidity is still open here. It's still open, and in these 2 hours, I'm sure there are fresh stop losses from everyone who went short. And in these 4 hours, last 4 hours also. Okay, but also in these 2 hours, there are stop losses down because somebody went long here. I think the most smart move, next move would be to go long, but not from here, but down here somewhere. Okay, because this is the most fresh liquidity. Okay, the second most fresh liquidity is this. Okay, what should we target if we go long? The final target would be this liquidity, which is also still open. It's almost 5%. Okay, so let's make this like this. Let's move stop loss somewhere here around. Stop loss could be, because we have target 4%, 1.17%. Okay, this would be okay. Okay, and the first target, of course, the same, but on the upper side here, 17. Yeah, so I would be very pleased if price fell to here and then went up and take out all this. All this is fresh and open. What caused this drop of Bitcoin? I don't see any big reason except that equities, US equities indexes fell again on the release of Fed minutes. This was a summary of what Fed members talked about after the last Fed meeting in July, and they are still worried about inflation. So there is a probability they will raise interest rates again until this year, once or twice, and this was the reason. The equities fell, and maybe also Bitcoin, because they are both risk-on assets, which are not good for high rates environment, which we are now, and we are expecting that next year will be better. But in the expectation of even higher rates, this was, I think, the reason. Okay, so this is about macro and Bitcoin. Now let's look at altcoins. We have 4 altcoins to look at. OG is the first. Let's take a look. Okay, Okay, there is opportunity here, but we have to measure this move. OG went up a lot from here. So if you want to enter here, look for entry here and risk no more than 9%. That means no more than 20% of your entire trading capital, because you must not risk more than 2% if you get stopped out. Yeah? You take profits on the way. Then we have funfair. This is the next one. Looks very similar to OG fan token, right? Looks like a pump to me, but we will see. You never know. Okay, this would be entry, stop loss 7% around. So don't risk more than 28, 29% and take profits on the way. On 1 time stop loss, 2 times, 3 times. Then we have acro and high five. First acro. Okay. This was way 1 correction, a little more up, but then no more buyers. So we go next. High five. Finance. Okay. Here was the first move. Let's take a look. From here to here. Now this is a question, you see. The correction was, yeah, 50%. This is wave 2 now happening. So we can try and look for entry on the correction of the second wave. This would be this green price. Final target 10%, risk stop loss 2.65. Okay, this is the last trading idea for altcoin. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.